Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's session of ManerMoments. Today's topic is benefits of a modern-day accounting system for a multi-entity organization. Before we jump into today's topic, a quick introduction in case you have not had the chance to meet me yet. I am a recovering auditor. I went to school at Alma College for accounting and spent 3 years in public accounting. And then I also recently went to Ireland with my wife, and that is a picture at the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland. If you get a chance to go, I strongly recommend it. But I am excited to talk to you today about the benefits of a modern-day accounting system for a multi-entity organization. So the first benefit for a modern-day accounting system is the ability to automate inter-entity transactions. So in older systems, you are used to having to manage the day-to-day intercompany transactions, typically in an Excel file, is what most of the customers that we talk to. So at the end of the month, what that does is it adds one more step for you to close your books, is to reconcile and make sure that you didn't miss anything, and all that extra time and potentially missed opportunities to automate slows you down. So a fun stat is only 26% of companies that use spreadsheets can actually close their books in less than 7 days, but over 50% of companies are able to do that when they automate their processes. And what that means is, in today's world, is in a finance position, our role is changing. No longer is it okay just for us to be the historians, the record keepers. We are crucial to the leadership of our organizations to make key decisions of our company based on actual hard data. And the quicker we can provide that data to the key decision makers, the better they can help steer our company to see greater profitability and avoid potential pitfalls. So automating inter-entity transactions are one way of doing that. The second benefit for upgrading to a modern accounting system for a multi-entity organization is to access all your files from one login. We talk to people that are on QuickBooks and they have 7 different entities, and so they have to log out and log back in to 7 different entities. And so if you have to enter in a accounts payable bill that hits all 7 entities, that could be a morning's worth of work just to enter in one AP bill. That is not the efficiency that we're looking to do for our organizations. And so one benefit is access all of that from one single login. So as you can see here, 2 systems that we strongly believe in are Microsoft Dynamics GP and Sage Intacct. So here is a screenshot of Microsoft Dynamics GP, where you are sitting in just one login and you can access all of the different information from one file. So if you have a new vendor that you want to add, you no longer have to add that to every single file. You only have to maintain those files. So not only for maintenance, but also for looking up information. One customer we talked to said that anytime they need to see how much they spent on Staples in March of last year, they have trouble trying to remember which entity it got logged into, so they have to sit there and find that needle in the haystack. And so, once again, having the access to all files from one login will help save time and money. The third benefit is our favorite phrase here at Maner Costerisan is to automate, automate, automate. And the ability to automate not only frees up you and your staff to not have to do manual data entry and increase the ability to focus on higher value tasks for your organization, but it also decreases the reduction of errors. You reduce the number of errors by just simple human error. When you input data multiple times, you just stare at the screen and you forget which numbers you're hitting, and then you can transpose numbers all the time. So what a modern day accounting system like Dynamics GP or Sage Intacct can do is it's built to connect with other systems. So we can handle the financial accounting software, and then if you need to use a CRM for your organization, like Salesforce, you can go out there and pick your favorite CRM tool. You're not tied to the CRM that might be bolted onto the accounting software. And so there are two ways that you can connect with other systems. One are with pre-built integrations, going directly from one software to another software. That is seen oftentimes with expense management solutions. So Nexonia, for instance, if you have that for your expense management solution, that has a direct integration directly to Sage Intacct and Dynamics GP, so you don't need to worry about a middleware piece. But thankfully, with a middleware at Costerisan, we like to use the middleware we developed called ManerLink. That middleware, if you are unfamiliar, is really, it's a translator. It pulls information out of one system, translates it into how the other system needs that inputted, and automates that integration for you. And that increases the accuracy and efficiency of the data entry. Our belief is that a person should only enter data into a system one time and automate from there. So even if you have an accounting system that you love and you aren't ready to move to another system, if you are having lots of manual entry, this is a shameless plug. Please call me. We can help you automate, automate, automate. That is our favorite thing to do. The fourth benefit of a modern day accounting software for multi-entity organizations is flexible reporting. You no longer have to create lots of different reports that are really just the same report filtered by entity or location. And so here, this is a screenshot of a Sage Intacct dashboard. And you can see here they have some KPI numbers on the top and some nice pretty graphs. But what is circled there on the top are filters. So not only can you filter by entity, you could filter by location, departments, right from there. So that way, as a super user in your accounting department, all you have to do is manage, hey, this is the information that we want each general manager of each entity to pay attention to. That way, since they're all user-based logins, when that user logs in, the information will auto-filter to whatever access that person has. So even a multi-entity system, you have the ability to go into multiple entities if you want. There is very strong security as well, so that way people only see the information that you want to see. Another benefit is it reduces your reliance on IT or that super user to make new reports. So that way, if your CEO comes to you and says, what is our profitability of item X over the past 3 months, you don't have to ask your IT team to figure out how to do that, or you don't have to dump that information into Excel and let your Excel guru in your department build that report. You can quickly do that information right from the accounting software. And then the third is the customizable dashboard. We believe there should be a dashboard for every hat that a person wears. So you can have your AP dashboard, you can have your start your day dashboard, everything that you need to do. So that way it takes the information from the system and puts it in a clear, easy to find place for your user to use that information. And what that does is, common theme here, increases the efficiency of your finance team, once again allowing you to spend more time on value added tasks and less time just trying to find that information to analyze. So quick recap for the benefits of a modern day accounting system for a multi-entity organization. 1, automate inter-entity transactions. 2, access to all information from one login. 3, automate, automate, automate. And 4, flexible reporting. And there are lots of solutions out there. We have vetted the industry, and what we feel are the strongest ones are Microsoft Dynamics GP and Sage Intacct. And we're very excited about Microsoft D365, which is going to be a great solution. Any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can call, text, email me, whatever is your favorite way to communicate. That will become my favorite way to communicate. My information is here. It's been a privilege talking to you today about today's Mainer moment. We look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.